To set up PayPal, you start on the RSVPMaker settings screen and go over to the Payments tab. You scroll down a little bit here, there's a section that says PayPal via the REST API. And there's a link to the place in the PayPal developers tools where you can establish that. So you'll log in using your regular PayPal password to their developers portal, and they want you to create an app. An app is just a representation of an integration with a specific website or business. It's going to be owned by a sandbox account in the sandbox incarnation, and it's going to be owned by you or your business in the live version. And they also use sandbox accounts for testing to represent the buyers of. So we're going to copy over both the sandbox client ID and client secret. And while we're at it, we can also switch over to the live version and grab the live client ID and live secret. From here, it's a good idea to set it to sandbox mode and do a test. So we'll do that. We'll update this. And we'll create an event. So here's my test event. We want to collect RSVPs. We add our compelling copy telling people why they should register. And we'll publish this and visit the options page. Now, if you have more than one payment method set up, you can specify per event which one you want to use. You can set a site-wide default on the settings page. From there, you go through and you put in your pricing for tickets or whatever units you want to be expressed for each individual item. Go out and view. And register for one admission for $100. Now, as part of the confirmation message, I get these buttons inviting me to click to pay by PayPal or pay by credit card. If I pay by PayPal, it invites me to sign in, and I'm going to sign in. I'm signing into the sandbox now, not to the live account. So I'm going to use a sandbox test account. And I will pay using imaginary money. And we get back a confirmation showing that it went through. I can then go log into the sandbox as this buyer account and see that this transaction has been recorded, or log in as the owner of the website, the organization that is taking RSVPs, and see that a payment has come in. Also see in our RSVP report that this is marked paid. Once you're satisfied everything's working, go back to your settings and toggle it from sandbox to live so you can start collecting real money.